How's it going, Gear Slammers? It's Brad. I'm out here on the Kettlemaraines going for a little quick cruise. Before I posted a video of the Foxbody, just a quick sound of it. Yeah, I revved it up a little bit, but it's not a great real world experience. And so I'm gonna take you guys for a quick drive. You guys are gonna listen to it. You're gonna tell me what you think. As you can tell, I'm home now. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Please leave a like, comment down below, what you thought of the exhaust video. And I hope you have a great one. See you guys next time.